Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So class, now it's time. We are going to begin with our today's classes. And in this class, we are going to practice our English. So till now, we have completed all the sleeping and standing line alphabets. That means we have done those alphabets in which we use sleeping and standing lines to write them, isn't it? So which are those alphabets, class? L. What is the sound of this alphabet? L. L. And the sound is L. Then we have T. What is the sound of this alphabet? Tree, tomato, train. What sound is coming? T. So T says T. I says E. Igloo, iguana, inkpot, ice cream, isn't it? So what is the sound of this alphabet I says E. Then next we have done H. What is the sound of alphabet H? H. Hand. H. Hair. H. Head. H. Hat. So the sound that is coming out is H. Then we have E. What is the sound of this alphabet? E says A. Elbow, elephant, egg. So when you are saying about the pictures which begin with letter E, what sound is coming out? A. Egg, A sound is coming. Then we have letter F. Fish, fingers, fin. Fin क्या होता है? Fish के fins होती है ना जिससे वो swim करती है. Fin. Fan. So what sound is coming? F. Say with me. F. So we have learned all these alphabets, and when we have to write these alphabets, we use sleeping or standing lines, isn't it? Standing and sleeping line, standing and sleeping line, standing and two sleeping lines, two standing and one sleeping line, one standing and three sleeping lines, one standing and two sleeping lines. So these all alphabets are standing sleeping line alphabets. Clear? Now what work we are going to do? If you will see on both the sides of these alphabets, I have drawn some pictures. So what you are going to do? You are going to match the correct picture with alphabet. Clear? So to move towards that, let us first see which are the different pictures we have. What is this? Leaf. What picture is this, class? Leaf. What is this? Ice cream. Yes, we all love eating it. It's an ice cream. Now, what is this? Something that swims in the water. It's a fish. Okay. Now, what is this? Aha. Tomato. Bada mazedar. So, it's a tomato. What is the color of tomato, class? It's red in color. Very good. So, now, what is this? What picture is drawn after tomato? A house, a hut, a home. You can see it. Anything. Now, what is this? Towards which we have an arrow here. are going to match it with tomato like this. Clear? Now next we have hut. So what is the sound coming out? Hut. Hut. So which alphabet? H. H says hut. So you will match H and hut together like this. Clear? Now we have elbow. Elbow. What sound is coming? Elbow. E says air. Isn't it? Elbow. So you will match E and elbow like this. Clear? So this is how you will match the pictures and their correct alphabets. Is that clear to everyone now? Okay. Now let's see how you are going to do this work in your files. Okay. But before that, remember one thing. Whenever you are revising these alphabets, आप जब भी alphabets को revise कर रहे हैं, make sure to revise them with sounds. L, L, T, T, I, E, H, H, E, A, F, F. Clear? So now let's see how to do the work in files. Okay? So class, like this you will write some alphabets and draw pictures in your files and do today's work. Don't forget to write today's date and classwork. So today is 10th August, okay? And the day is Tuesday. Now see, we have alphabets L, F, I, E, H and T. And here I have different pictures. So as we have done on the board, you are going to match. You can also do one thing before matching. You can color them beautifully and do your matching work. Clear? So coloring part will be your own as your today's homework. Let's see how to match them. Now the first picture we have is igloo. What is the correct sound for this picture? E, igloo. Yes class, we are going to match it with I because I says E. Now for this matching also you can use different colors like this. Now I am going to use this blue color for matching. From I to igloo, I will draw a matching line. Clear? Now next you have is a lamp. What picture is this? Lamp. L. Let's take a different color and match L with lamp. Clear? Next picture we have is a fish. Isn't it? So the fish begins with letter F. F says f, fish. So match it like this. Next we have is a tree. So what is the sound coming out for tree? T. T says t, tree. So you will match it like this. Understood? Now we have I. There is a picture of an I here. Let's match it. So which is the correct alphabet? E. E says A, I. Now last we have is hand. Her hand. So for this another color we'll take and we'll match it like this. Clear? So this is how you will use different colors to do your work in file. If you want, you can do it in notebook also. Hope you all have understood. You can color them and make your work look more beautiful. Chaliye, bye for now. Meet you with next subject after this work.